Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look at this final problem here in your Desmos for today. 6 1/2 plus 8 over 9. My first step is to rewrite this problem. 6 1/2 plus 8/9. All right, so we're going to use what we know about adding mixed numbers and fractions and apply it to this problem here. I'm going to focus on my whole numbers and my fractions separately. Okay, we want to do those separately. And I like to look at my fraction parts first. So let's rewrite my fraction parts. Whoops. 1/2 plus 8/9. All right. The first thing we need to look at when we are adding fractions is the denominator. We cannot add or subtract fractions if the denominators are not like, if they're not the same. So I've got a 2 and a 9. Oh, I need to find the LCD, the least common denominator. So I'm going to list out my facts of 2 and my facts of 9 and find if they have any common facts. So 9, 18, 27, 36, I can probably stop there. That's my facts of 9. Let me list my facts of 2. All right, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So far I don't see any, so I'm going to keep going. 12, 14. That's a 4. 16. I might have to change that, so I don't want to confuse anybody. 18, 20. Oh, wait. I see one. I see that we have the common fact of 18. So our LCD is going to be 18. All right. Now I'm going to come back up here, and I need to change my fractions so that 1/2 is equivalent with a fraction that has 18 as the denominator. So to get from 2 to 18, I'm going to multiply 2 times. And if you don't know, you can go down here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 times 9. And whatever I do on the bottom, I have to do on the top. 1 times 9, so I get 9/18. Okay? Let's take a look at 8 over 9. We want to make that equivalent with a fraction that has 18 as the denominator. All right, so to get from 9 to 18, I need to multiply 9 times 2. Whatever I do on the bottom, I have to do on the top. So 9 times 2 gives me 16. All right, so now let me rewrite my problem using my equivalent fractions. I've got 9/18 plus 16/18. All right, that's going to give me, whoops, I forgot my 1. That's going to give me 18 as a denominator. We can't forget that we worked so hard to get it. We're going to keep it. And now let's add 9 and 16, which is going to give me 25. 25 over 18. Are you noticing anything about my fraction, 25 over 18? I am. I'm noticing that it is an improper fraction. So I want to change it into a mixed number. So let's see here. And I'm running out of space. 18 goes into 25 one whole time. I'll put it down here. And then I'm going to take 18 away from 25 because I use that 18 in my whole number 1. So 18 minus 25 leaves me with 7, correct? Yep, 7. And then I rewrite my problem. 1 and 7 over 18. Okay, I'm not done yet. This was the sum of the fraction parts right here. I'm not done though. I have to add that back up here with my whole number parts, and I have 6 up here and nothing for my second add-in. But I have a whole number 1 here. So I need to add, let's use black, we haven't used that yet. I need to add the number 1 with the number 6, so I'm going to get 7, and my fraction part is 7/18. And that's my final answer. If you did not get 7 and 7/18, where did you make a mistake? Do you see how to correct that mistake? That's how we learn. We make mistakes, we correct mistakes, we learn. If your whiteboard doesn't look similar to mine, then take the time to make your whiteboard look just like my whiteboard.